Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I made some baked boneless pork chops. They all seasoned, you guys. I have my red bell pepper, my onions, and I'm so ready to eat these, guys. I haven't had baked pork chops in a long time. Okay, I made some hot water cornbread. Look how crunchy and delicious that cornbread look. And what I made with them is some greens. I just turned these greens off, you guys. You can see the onions and bell pepper. They're well seasoned. Okay, and ready to roll. So yes, that's what I have for my dinner today. And I'm going to let the greens cool down a little bit. And I will be back later to show you my plate when it's made. Okay, here you go, guys. I got my cornbread all mixed up in them greens. Ooh-wee. And I love green onions on my green. So, this what this is about to do. Green onions. For me and you. Yes, indeed. I love green onions. And here's my little piece of meat here. With onions on there. So, yeah. I'm going to sit down and eat this pork chop and these greens. Okay, you guys. And I thank you for watching. And bye-bye for now.